morning, kids. I'm out here outside Hinsdale South. Here's a nice sign that says no smoking on this property. Up here, you can see a nest that seems to be made of cigarette butts. Maybe these people weren't smoking, they were just like playing with the cigarettes. So let's go and look at where they could have gotten these cigarettes from. Look at these garbage wrappers. They seem to be made out of plastic. Birds might be using those too. Let's go over here. There's some cigarettes on the ground. Look at these cigarettes. They're everywhere. I don't know. This really grinds my gears to see this out here. It's really disappointing. And it seems like because of the altered environment by the school, the kids are using cigarette butts instead of the grass and straw that they can find on the ground with shrubs.